TOGAF Enterprise Architecture Bridge Exam, English, OGEA-10B exam dumps are online, which can guarantee you success. Share some OGEA-10B exam dumps here. 1. Which Admiral phase focuses on defining the problem to be solved, identifying the stakeholders, their concerns, and requirements. A. Phase, B. Preliminary phase, C. Phase, D. Phase A. 2. Which of the following are the four purposes that typically frame the planning horizon, depth and breadth of an architecture project, and the contents of the EA repository? A. General foundational subordinate and superior architecture. B. Segment, capability, enterprise and end-to-end target architecture. C. Avant-garde Big Bang, discrete and cohesive. D. Strategy portfolio project solution delivery. 3. Which of the following is the ability to develop, use and sustain the architecture of a particular enterprise using architecture to govern change? A. An EA capability, B. An EA repository, C. An EA framework, D. An enterprise architecture. 4. Consider the following statement. According to the TOGAF standard, a governed approach of a particular deliverable will ensure adherence to the principles, standards, and requirements of the existing or developing architectures. Which deliverable does this refer to? A. The architecture vision, B. The statement of architecture work, C. An architecture contract, D. The architecture definition document. 5. Which of the following describes the practice by which the enterprise architecture is managed and controlled at an enterprise-wide level? A. Corporate governance, B. Architecture governance, C. IT governance, D. Technology governance. 6. What are the four dimensions used to scope an architecture? A. Business data application technology, B. Strategy segment capability budget, C. Breadth depth time period architecture domains, D. Strategy portfolio project solution delivery. 7. Which of the following is a responsibility of an architecture board? A. Determining the scope of an architecture compliance review, B. Allocating resources for architecture projects, C. Conducting assessments of the maturity level of architecture discipline within the organization, D. Achieving consistency between sub-architectures. 8. Which section of the TOGAF template for architecture principles should describe the relationship to other principles? A. Name, B. Rationale, C. Statement, D. Implications. 9. Complete the sentence. The four purposes that typically frame the planning horizon, depth and breadth of an architecture project, and the contents of the EA repository are strategy, portfolio, a project, and solution delivery. B. Subordinate, and superior architecture, C. Discrete, and cohesive, D. Segment, and end-to-end target architecture. 10. Which of the following best describes the class of information known as the reference library within the architecture repository? A. Guidelines and templates used to create new architectures, B. Specifications to which architectures must conform, C. A record of the governance activity across the enterprise, D. Processes to support governance of the architecture repository.